Hi all, I hope this video finds you doing well. This is another kitchen cleaning video. I should be famous for these because really it's practically all I do. Ty is helping me put some popcorn in one of my reusable Grove bags because we popped popcorn and had some left over, and the Grove bags really work to keep everything fresh. So I am just tidying up. I know some people tidy up before they do their cleaning video, but I want to show you like the whole process, and so I'm tidying up before I clean on video. I'm just using my Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner to clean all of my countertops. John was like, "Oh, are you recording?" I was like, "Yes." I'm gonna do the inside of the microwave. It really doesn't get that bad because we do a very good job of covering all the food that goes in the microwave, but it did need a little bit of scrubbing. So I'm going to use some of my 7th generation antibacterial wipes to scrub it out, and see, that didn't take long at all. And of course, my everlasting pile of dishes. I have been hand washing a lot more dishes since John's been home, and John has also pitched in a lot, exclamation points, and helped hand wash. But sometimes you just fill the dishwasher. It's easier that way. I have been loving this Mrs. Meyer's dish soap that I just showed you. It's the lemon I say verbena. I've heard other people say verbena. It's the lemon verbena one. And unfortunately, this was actually the last time I used it. And as soon as this video was over, I pulled out my new bottle of Thieves because I ran out of my Mrs. Meyer's. All of these products so far that I have shown you have been Grove products. I will have that link down in my description box, and if you are a new customer, you get a set of Mrs. Meyer's freebies for being a new customer and placing an order. And if you're an existing customer, I think you get a different set of freebies. I'm not quite sure though, but I have that link down in the description. I highly suggest Grove. I have not regretted it since I started it. Today we had baked a lot. We baked chocolate banana mini muffins and banana bread, and so I've got all kinds of mixing stuff and mixing bowls and the muffin tin, as you see. And here is a little tip for these muffin tins. You will see me use my I decided to clean my loaf pan first. Of course, Jessica. Anyway, now here it is. You see me using my bottle brush, and that actually works. It gets in there and you can just turn it in a circle. And this is practically my favorite mini muffin tin though, because the muffins always just fall out of it, and it's very minimal scrubbing as it is. It never fails that when I make yogurt, my milk will boil over. And of course, with a gas oven, it burns like no other. So you guys get to watch me scrub my stovetop. It doesn't matter like if I watch it or not. It just, when milk decides to boil over, there's no stopping it. And it has happened each time, so it's awful. But I think I scrub this for a little bit and then I let it sit and then I come back to it a little later. John has been such a wonderful help since he came home from deployment. I just cannot thank him enough and praise him enough for helping with the kids and helping keep the house clean. And right now, I think he was getting ready to clean something or go outside with the kids. I'm not sure, but he has just been amazing since he got home. It's been wonderful having his helping hands in the house again. These are Young Living's Ninja Red Zings. They're a little naturally caffeinated. They're almost like a soda, so if you have a soda habit, these are really great, but they're not as bad for you as soda. I really enjoy them every once in a while for a little kick. They've got several different oils in them and black pepper, and they're just a really refreshing, lightly carbonated, caffeinated drink. I decided today to spray and wipe down my lower cabinets because they always have little fingerprints on them, and as much as I know I will one day miss the little fingerprints, they need to be cleaned. And honestly, if you stay on top of this, it doesn't take too much. Like, I'm just wiping down. I'm not really having to scrub. In our last home, I did not do this at all because they were wood cabinets, so you didn't see a lot of the gunk that accumulated on them. And then when it came time to do our cleaning for moving out, I was literally like scrubbing them with an SOS pad trying to get stuff off. So it really helps to do this maybe once a week just to keep everything from building up on them. I really do love those drinks, you guys. All right, I am going to put this hamburger in the sink to thaw it for dinner, so I need to clean my sink. The idea of food going into a dirty sink just kind of just really kind of freaks me out. So I am scrubbing my sink down before I put the hamburger into thaw. Okay, working on the stove one last time. Let's see if I can get it up. It's just been soaking with Mrs. Myers on it. I don't have a stove cleaner yet. I do need to order something like that, but honestly, it's not bad unless my milk boils over. Look at that, all shiny. I'm loving it. Okay, putting those hamburgers in to thaw. And I'm bagging that banana bread because it's cool enough now, and I'm gonna put it in the cupboard for breakfast tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for sticking through it. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you are subscribed and you're coming back to visit us, thanks for coming back. I'll talk to you all in my next one. Bye.